Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madhushmita. This is the video that you guys have been waiting since 3 weeks. Even I was waiting since 3 weeks because I was not getting time to shoot this. So yeah, this is the video that you guys have been waiting for, the Shein haul. I brought 4 products from Shein in the Independence Day offer. Like they had this offer that if you get anything above 799 you'll get free shipping. So yeah, मौके में चौका मार दिए और 4 प्रोडक्ट ऐसे ही लिया. In total it cost me 1100. This was my first buy, so I thought that I don't know, like I was skeptical about bringing this much product, so I thought that yeah, let's start with the clothing item. I got only 4 products from clothing and 1 product from the accessory section. So yeah, let's get into the video about Shein. That it's an international brand, so basically ये इंटरनेशनल से एक्सपोर्ट होता है इंडिया में आने के लिए एंड इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. मैं क्लब फैक्ट्री से भी लाती हूँ, तो क्लब फैक्ट्री में इट टेक्स अराउंड 2 वीक्स एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, इट टेक्स टू मच ऑफ टाइम. सो आई थॉट कि हाँ, अभी मैं शीन का मंगाऊंगी तो शीन का भी वही 3 हफ्ते के बाद ही आएगा बिकॉज एज इट इज़ अ इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड. बट लकीली आई गॉट द पैकेज in only 7 days. So yeah, I got it in a week. I'm like so happy right now because I'm so much happy with the delivery system because I got it in 1 week. So yeah, this is a very fast delivery here in Odisha itself. So I can't be happy. First product that I got from Shein is this hairband. Okay, this looks cute though. So it's a retro style bobby print hairband, and I got this because I didn't had a funky good looking hairband, and when I do makeup, my makeup sticks to my hair and it is very difficult to remove it from your hair. So I thought that yeah, let's get it. It cost me 140 only. The material is polyester and this is a very strong hairband and I absolutely love this hairband. It looks cute and it has a knot here which makes it look a retro, and I can style up with it anything. Like I can style up with everyday style. I can style up with a jeans, with a denim shirt like this, and I can just wear it with anything, you know, just anything which suits except the traditional, like except Indian attires. I can wear it with anything and it makes me look so pretty and look so good. It's a retro style hairband and I absolutely love it. So the next product that I got from Shein is this crisscross front camo print cami top. I can style this crop top with anything. Like I don't have a flat tummy, so I usually wear my crop tops with a high waist jeggings or jeans. Product that I got from Shein is contrast Logan crisscross vest tee. Well, I got this shirt because इसके जो नीचे जो वायर लगे हुए हैं और whatever you call it, that's called the strips. I love that style. Like I thought that this is something different, so let's buy it. And I thought that I can afford it because it was only 460 by then. I don't know अभी price उसका increase हो चुका होगा, but I got it at only 460. So I thought yeah, it looks so good and the material is cotton. I absolutely love this style a lot. Like this actually makes me look thinner and it will go with any color pant. Like I can wear it with black, blue, green or a light color, and it's and it look very good for everyday wear. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. When I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. The next product that I got from Shein is from the bottom section, and I got it. The name is cutout knee leggings, and yeah, so it's a leggings जो बीच में, you know, there is a ripped there. It's like a ripped jeans वो बीच में knees area में there is a hole in it, and it's kind of trending right now, so I thought, yeah, let's get it. The pant quality is 100% cotton as it claims, but it's very thin material which shows my unshaped hips, waist very clearly, which is a disappointment because whenever I'll wear a crop top it won't look that great. Or for the haul. So now getting to the reviews, I want to give to Shein that I absolutely love the delivery system, how it gave me in just 7 days, which is fantastic for a international site. That is really fantastic. And the disappointment what I got from the Shein is that even if my size is medium and I'm getting it, I don't want to wear a perfect top, because even if it fits me so well, so good, but I can wear this for a month. Shape body for 5 to 6 years. My body changes, like everyone's body changes. So if you are medium and you are getting medium size, then it will fit you perfect. But after some months or some years, you can't wear that tops, which is of no use. Like, I don't get a point, like why will I waste money if I can't wear this after years. For the solution for this problem is that if you are medium, then try to buy in large size. In this haul I got only clothing product and I absolutely love the material and everything. So next video of Shein can be an accessory haul, like I'll try to buy more accessories and more makeup stuff and tech stuff, because they have a very pretty cool, very girly kind of stuff. So yeah, so next video I'm going to do that, and I absolutely love this hairband. And if you want to buy any of the product, the link will be right down there. And do share, subscribe and like to this video, and do give your valuable suggestion and comments in the comment section.